Good morning and welcome to the FCTV News. I'm James White.
And I'm Evan Arnott.
Here are the stories making headlines at Fort Cherry today. Any 7th and 8th grade student who is interested in swimming at South Fayette should be at conditioning, which will begin Tuesday, March 22nd from 3:30 to 5:30. The swimsuit representative will be there on Wednesday, March 23rd to do sizing. The school will provide your suit, but you will need to purchase your own goggles. Duquesne University will be hosting a summer's workshop from July 18th to the 20th. Workshop topics include evidence collection, arson investigation, DNA fingerprinting, and several other labs and lectures. Students must have a 2.5 grade point average to apply. Applications are available in the guidance office. Drexel University will be hosting a 5-week residential summer learning experience for students interested in computer science. If you're interested, please visit the guidance office. And in sports, there is an away varsity tennis match against Peters. The game starts at 3:30. The JV will be playing Peters at home. Evan?
For the library today, it is open periods 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 today. For the weather today, scattered showers with a high of 66. Tonight, showers with a low of 42. Tomorrow, 50% chance of rain with a high of 51. And for the rest of the week, it's going to be rainy. And currently here at the fort, it is 56 degrees. For the lunch today, line 1 is the salad bar, line 2 tacos, and line 3 Mexican pizza. Tomorrow's breakfast is pancakes. And that's all for the FCTV News today. Thank you for tuning in, and take care.
Have a good day.